Hello, in front of me I've got Chevrolet TRAX. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via car's Bluetooth system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth, and next take a look at the screen display. Go to CD aux and select Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is selected, you can play anything you want on your smartphone, and it will be played via car speakers. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.